Kule, you've been distant lately. Is something wrong?
Nothing, Ada. I just couldn't sleep last night.
Maybe someone is texting you at night? Kunle, why do you resist me? Just one moment, no one will know.
Ma, this can't happen again. Ada, trust me. I can't betray her.
Kunle, so, you are sleeping with my mom. Am I not enough?
Ada, I'm sorry. She made me do it.
Mom, I trusted you. Why did you do this to me? Why the man I love? I thought you wanted my happiness. But I was wrong. You are a wicked mom. Kunle, I forgive you, but trust must be rebuilt slowly.
I promise, Ada, no more secrets. Only honesty from now on.
I'm sorry, Ada. I have failed you. You broke my trust, Mom. Just go.